Hey, I'm Jared Penner. This is Pristine Actions, and we're out of Chilliwack, British Columbia, Canada. I'm happy to be here at Range Day. A little bit about our products here. We make bolt action receivers, and they're the smoothest and highest quality uh, in the world. And a couple new things here. We now sell barreled action together with Keller Arms, and we're also going to be releasing a build kit. So it'll come with a chassis, a trigger, and a barreled action. So a dealer would be able to assemble that. That wouldn't normally sell anything except production. And they would now have a high quality precision rifle to offer. And they can also sell that to the end user as well. So somebody could build their own rifle in about half an hour at home.
And what's the retail value on that?
So the retail value for the build MSRP is going to be $3,000, and the barreled action is approximately $2,000.
Now, for the barreled actions, if I go to things like Boyd or MDT, what type of would I look like for a Remington 1700 or a Hawa 1500?
Yeah, so our actions are Remington 700, so they pair with anything Remington 700. Nice and easy drop in.
Perfect. Perfect. This is beautiful here.
Well, thank you very much for having a wonderful time here at Range Day and putting people on a 1,000-yard target, 6.5 Creedmoor, and 20-inch Heller barrel. It's been a blast.
Can I give it a try?
Absolutely.
Here's your magazine. Let's get you set up.
All right. And this is 6.5 Creedmoor.
It has a hell of a where you so much better. It's got less impact. Yeah, we got it on this one. This rifle's up to 4,000.
That actually just floats in and out. That's crazy. This is really, really nice. I'm impressed.
We will be offering package deals, as I'm going to show you the rifle over here on the table. It's going to be an offering that both Keller Arms and Pristine are going to be doing. So here, let me show you guys. Package rifle we're going to be offering the XRS chassis, the barreled action from Keller Arms and everything. Something to get you into PRS, get you a nice custom gun, but you can still shoot production guns.
And what's that going to?
Huh?
How much is that going to be?
About 2,500 area.
Really?
Well,
that's amazing. And what will be included with that?
When will it be available?
No, yeah. When's it going to be available?
They're going to be available in the next couple of weeks.
4 weeks.
Yep.
Wow. And what comes with the rifle?
The muzzle brake, the barrel, the chassis, and the trigger.
Wow, that's beautiful. For $2,500, huh?
$2,500.
That's a hell of a deal.
It is.
Cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.